So I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. So from any screen, if we click onto nav, if it's the first time it comes on in your drive, it will probably ask you, just connecting my phone, it'll ask you to agree to say that you're not going to be distracted. But so here's the system. It's just showing the map at the moment. If we click again, you've then got this other menu. Got address, destinations in memory, last destinations, petrol stations, car parks, and points of interest. So we want address, select address, click on it. Postcode in United Kingdom, towns United Kingdom. So postcode in United Kingdom, click on that, and that's it. We want postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Watney Preston, PR. It's defaulted to numbers 5, 4. Where's J gone? HJ, and then S, PR5 4JS. So that's it there. Postcode, and click start.
The route is being calculated. The destination is in the direction indicated.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching.